Hi, it's Miranda Love with Ninja Growth Strategies coming to you live in the art of attracting high ticket clients from LinkedIn group. And so what I'll be sharing to you today is a simple, easy way a three-step process to get high ticket clients, high ticket coaching clients from LinkedIn in as simple as three little steps. So all you do, I'm going to dive right into it right now. So all you do is you want to be very specific about who you start sending your connection requests to. So that's step number one is to start sending connection requests on LinkedIn to your ideal target market. There's great search capacities with LinkedIn. You can search by title, you can search by, keywords and jobs and everything like that. With just the basic LinkedIn, you can use that to send connection requests. You can also upgrade your account to Sales Navigator for additional searching capacities. If you're trying to find somebody who's been at a job, if you're coaching clients, they've been at a position they need to be at their position for at least 3 years or more, or they need to work at a company size that has, 150 or more employees. So with Sales Navigator, you're able to dial in, even search even more. But even with the free LinkedIn, you're able to get a good amount of search qualities there. So that's step number one, is to start sending connection requests on LinkedIn. Step number two is once they've connected with you, which about 50% of them will connect with you. So once they connect with you, then go ahead and invite them to a webinar. So that's step number two. And on that webinar, it should be something that establishes your authority and really positions you as the expert to your ideal target clients. And you speak about your clients' pain in a way that they understand it, that they know it. And so that lets them know that you understand their pain, and that lets them know that you understand their problem, and it lets them believe that you have a solution. If you're able to speak about their problem in a way that is only that they can resonate with, then it is something that really will give you a head up in your marketing, and that's something that will help establish your authority. Even if you don't have, a bunch of testimonials, or even if you're brand new, you can still establish your authority with our webinar using our proven authority formula that positions you as the expert to your ideal target clients. So that's what it is that you want to do. Step number two is a webinar. Now, step number three is on that webinar, you want to invite your ideal target clients to a phone call with you. We call ours a breakthrough session, and it's a chance for us to find out if they're a good fit for our program, and if they're a good fit for you, you're a good fit for them, to find out if you can help them. And if you can help them, then you owe it to them to let them know that you can help them, because you want to get them out of their pain. So you really want to go ahead and invite your ideal target clients on that webinar to a phone call. And it's a sales call. So I know a lot of people are really kind of icky about sales, and I used to be icky about sales as well. But whenever you're coming from a place of serving, and just finding the right people that are right for your program, only inviting in the right people to your program, and then it's not salesy, only inviting the ones in that 100% that you can help, that you're going to be able to get great results for, and then turning away those that would not be a good fit for your program. That's just kind of authenticity in sales, and a good way to come from being in the fact of serving. So whenever you look at it like that, and we actually have a recipes formula that I help my clients go through for the sales call process. So that way that gets them over the jitters of having, kind of it being a sales call, and really helps them get out there and have a format to follow. It's not a script, but it's a format to follow that you want to hit in each section of the call, and you don't move on until you've completed your goals in each section of the call. And so it gives you a process to be able to take those high ticket clients from cold connections, not even knowing who you were just a couple of days before, getting your invite to connect on LinkedIn, and then your invite to a webinar, and then your invite to a phone call. So being able to take them from cold connections into high ticket client in one phone call, that definitely is a process as well. And so that's why we help our clients with that too, and provide you the support that you need for getting that. It's a recipes formula is what I call it. So that's and then on that phone call, you invite in the ones that would be a good fit, and that's how they become a new client. And you can go ahead and take the payment right there on the phone. Go ahead and handle the logistics of it, just work everything out with them on that same phone call. And that's how we do it here at Ninja Growth Strategies, and that's how our clients are attracting high ticket clients from LinkedIn as well. It's a simple 4-step process. Well, it's a 3-step process to the new client that I call the Ninja Growth System, and it's a way for you to leap over your competition and really get out there in front of your ideal target clients right now. So if you're not using LinkedIn yet, you need to get on LinkedIn and start using it, and start sending out those connection requests. Get you a webinar together. reviews, but there's a big difference between having a converting webinar and just a teaching webinar. I know a lot of my clients are really great at teaching, and they've had a career in, teaching and giving seminars and things like that. But creating a converting webinar that's really going to establish your authority is something that's completely different to them. It's something that was different to most of my clients whenever they come to work with me. So we help them with that process as well to really establish your authority and to be the ones that really makes people know that you're the one that they can help. So I actually have a webinar. If y'all haven't checked that out yet, you can go to businesscoachaccelerator.com, and that's at businesscoachaccelerator.com. And I delve in on these 3 steps, the Ninja Growth System. I delve in on that in more detail, and also show some examples and some calendars and some case studies in my webinar as well. And I have 5 shortcuts to making multiple 6 figures this year as a business coach on LinkedIn, and that is at businesscoachaccelerator.com. Again, that's businesscoachaccelerator.com. And so that's the best place to start with me. If you haven't checked out that webinar yet, that's going to be the place to go where you can kind of find out more about what it is that we're doing with our clients, how we're helping our clients make multiple 6 figures this year as a highly sought after business coach on LinkedIn, and get some of those goodies. It's a great web class. A lot of people get tons of value from it. So go ahead and go to businesscoachaccelerator.com to check out that webinar. If you haven't watched that yet, then that's the next step that you need to do. If you've already watched the webinar and you know that you want to speak with me, you want to find out we want to speak with me, then I can offer you to get on the phone call for a free breakthrough session with me as well, where we'll look at what's working for your business now and what isn't. And if it looks like we can bridge that gap from where you are now to where you want to be, then I'll absolutely let you know that. And I'll personally map out our strategy of how we would help you get there and achieve your goals on this phone call. It's a one-on-one phone call where we really give you, you're going to leave that call with tons of clarity for your business and also a plan for your next steps. So go ahead and take advantage of that opportunity right now. I'm giving you a chance to get on the phone call with me or a member of my team here at Ninja Growth Strategies. And to get to that phone call, to schedule your phone call with me, the free breakthrough session, which is a great value, go to businesscoachaccelerator.com/growth. And once again, that's businesscoachaccelerator.com/growth. And there you'll be able to pick my calendar and see a time that works for you, and go ahead and pick a time that works for you and grab it and schedule that time to speak with me one-on-one. So that way we can get you unstuck where you are right now in your business and helping you moving forward and see if we can get you closer to achieving your goals. And again, I do just like I teach my clients, if it's not a good fit, then I will let you know that as well. I only invite in people that I know are going to get great results. I have great testimonials. I have great case studies with my clients. I don't want somebody coming in here that's not going to get great results. I'm not in the business of taking people's money without getting them results. So that's something that, we very much walk our talk with the integrity of only inviting in the right ones. But now, if you are a good fit, and I know that, our strategies can help you, then I'm definitely going to let you know that as well, and invite you to be a part of what it is that we've got going on and come to get closer to me on the inside. But if it's not a good fit, then, we can talk about that if you want to talk about it. If you don't want to, it's fine. You can just come to that free breakthrough call and get the value of it, and go to that webinar and watch that and get the value of it. I've got a lot of free content. And then once you opt in to watch my webinar, you'll also start getting emails from me where I'll do videos like this, and I have a lot of email articles that I send out with a lot of good content, a lot of good information. So you're going to learn a lot from being connected to me. So go ahead and opt in to watch that webinar at businesscoachaccelerator.com. And we will talk soon. This has been Myranda Love here with you, and I'm coming to you live in the Art of Attracting High Ticket Clients on LinkedIn. It's a Facebook group that I have. So join me there if you're on YouTube finding this video. Look me up on Facebook too. Talk soon. Bye.